meet in 1 month. 1 month, bro. 3 weeks, bro. You guys are working with you at that. Like, I started, bro. Y'all start working. I was on my couch. But now you on the couch, you feel me? Now you on the couch. I'm gonna man, this one's as sharp as fuck. They might be too big.
What do you mean by that?
You lying.
Like, they're too long compared to my other ones.
Oh.
Yeah, I can feel that. Like, look, I have one super long one.
Is it because those ones are, like,
shortened?
Are they just different spikes, or?
Yeah, I think so. These ones are slightly longer. So I'll just use, I'll just be missing 2.
Am I using illegal spikes, or are you using illegal spikes?
Yours low-key look illegal, bro.
Yeah,
like, these are also sharp as fuck.
Bro, they're new. You know, I got those, like, 2 years ago. I still haven't used all of them. So one push out, pretty windy outside.
Oh, shit.
What happened?
I've not been in spikes in a minute.
Oh, you felt too fast?
I felt like I was falling.
You were falling?
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Damn.
Ooh, this shit too tight.
It's actually mad windy. Yo, that don't sound good.
So you want to do alternating reps?
You said what?
You want to do alternating reps, like you're in blocks 1, I'm in.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just be to the side of you.
Okay.
I'll use the shotgun app too.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna put it on 10-second timer.
On your mark.
You're not getting naked, man?
Nah, I am. I'm just putting a practice rep for you. It's at 10 seconds.
Set.
Chill.
Alright, we ready?
Yeah, give me a sec.
Ready?
On your mark.
We should cover them if possible. If you have something to cover the top of it, that would be good. I'm gonna put this on it. If not, put it away fully. It's fully raining.
Like the top is...
Like I'm gonna put my bag over the top.
Sweater on top of it and leave the length.
Okay. Oh, man. No, it's all... Careful. Oh, my God. You know what?
You got games on your phone.
What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up, man?
Were you able to cover it?
Yeah. Although it automatically stopped some of the recording. I don't know when it stopped though.
It automatically stopped?
Yeah. I don't know if that's because it got wet or I was just going on.
Okay.
Yeah, this OP looks kind of cool.
Yeah, if it's
Outside.
recording this is fire.
You said what?
We got, I think 3 minutes. Let me put my pants on. My start was horrible.
I think I'm gonna keep my pants on the whole time.
My pants are wet, so inside of them.
You gonna be walking around like this, bro?
Uh,
You're basically naked.
nah, this is how the girls be walking, bro.
I don't think you're a girl, bro.
I mean, when they see the glutes, they won't know.
Yo, what does that mean?
Oh, with a sprinter, you have to be thick.
You gotta be thick? Are they thicker than me, though?
Most people aren't.
Hey, yo. Hey, you gotta suck your balls. This just proves that we gotta practice blocks consistently. Cause I did not push off of it at all.
Bro, my first start was non-existent. I like stumbled out, you know this one?
Yeah. We out in the rain. What about the back, the settings?
I really don't remember which one it is.
I think it's the back one higher. Right? No, the front one higher? Because you push off of it.
I think it's the back one higher.
Back one higher?
Yeah, I think. I still never looked
Isn't
at
it the front because you're pushing off of that one? I mean, you're pushing off of both, but like,
I mean,
the front one is the one that
gets
you get the triple extension off.
That's fair.
I don't know. You just gotta test and see, to be honest.
Let me test the other version first.
Which one? Front, forward?
Yeah. Damn. And we're going into the wind?
Bro. E. Damn. How did that feel?
I feel a little tight in the block.
Yo, bro, this
It wasn't even supposed to rain till like...
Nah, it said like, oh yeah, 5-6. It is 5, isn't it?
No, mine said 6. I'm not going cap.
It said 20% at 5 for me.
Okay.
I should close my bag. I'm kind of stupid.
What time does it say?
It's 5:02.
No, I meant the timer.
Oh.
Let me check. Yeah, we're up.
I'm ready.
Hold on. I feel too tight in the box. That is 3 fingers. But just gotta get used to it.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm not stripping. I think it's too wet outside.
Yeah, my foot was actually sliding on this.
Your foot was sliding in spike?
Yeah, it's actually pouring a lot. I think we should put the cameras away.
Yeah.
Like my thing is fucking soaked.
Nah, it's actually pouring outside. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Yo, we're gonna try this again another day. It's pouring.
Nah, this is OD.
Oh, the wind took my hoodie off the camera.
Chill.
The camera was soaked.
Did you turn it off?
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta make sure it fully dries before turning it back on.
Nah,
How's the DJI?
it looks fine. Say bye to the camera, bro. It's over.
Yeah, we got this working regardless.
Now we're still gonna get this working. The camera just gotta go away.
Trust.
You know what I'm
Sub
saying?
7.
Sub 7?
Sub 7.
Sub 7 loading.
Set.